So for those of you following me on Instagram, you know that I've caught the flu. So there have been much happening in the garage lately, or at least for a few couple of days. Um, I've been thinking, or I've seen this new YouTube feature, the community tab, and I've been searching around and trying to find out when or if that will be available for all users, not just a few that's testing it. Because I think that would be really cool to have a place within YouTube where I can post daily updates and stuff. But then, just now while taking a bath, it dawned on me that I am doing this on YouTube, and why can't I just use or do daily small update videos instead? So that's what I plan to do. So this is the first one in my daily update videos, or daily videos with small updates on what's going on. So yeah, so the, the update today is that I am starting to feel better, and I will soon commence working in the garage. And I fixed the exhaust leak. I posted a picture on Instagram, so check that out and follow me there if you don't already. And that's I think because it was running lean. It's if you have an exhaust leak, your engine will run lean. So now that it's fixed, if I'm down on power, I know that I can lean it down and I will regain the power. So it's actually the exhaust leak might have helped me shorten the tuning period or whatever. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please subscribe and click the like button, and check out my other videos, the longer ones, the real videos. This will be just daily updates. Okay, bye.